Unveiling the curry crisis, a deep dive into its causes. A brief overview of the curry crisis and the importance of understanding the causes. Curry, a beloved and iconic dish, holds a special place in the hearts and palates of the nation. However, the curry crisis is casting a shadow over this culinary treasure, impacting the very core of its existence. Traditionally, Indian curry houses were the epicenters of curry culture, weaving together the diverse tapestry of flavors that define this cuisine. Alarmingly, these establishments are shuttering at an unprecedented rate, signaling a crisis that demands urgent attention. The industry players find themselves at a crossroads, grappling to comprehend the root cause of the crisis. While some lay blame on the government, citing challenges in obtaining chef visas, the authorities view the situation through a different lens. Meanwhile, discerning customers, in their quest for authenticity, are turning away from the conventional, seeking alternative avenues to satisfy their curry cravings. In this intricate web of challenges, the curry crisis unfolds, urging a collective exploration of its underlying causes and a unified effort to preserve and revitalize this cherished culinary tradition. As the curry crisis unfolds, it becomes imperative to delve into the heart of the matter and comprehend the underlying causes that threaten the very essence of this cherished culinary tradition. Several factors contribute to this crisis, and acknowledging them is the first step towards devising effective solutions. The sheer hard work and dedication of countless individuals who have contributed to the rich tapestry of curry culture must not go to waste. It's a call to action for industry players to recognize the significance of their roles in preserving and revitalizing this culinary heritage. Desperate times call for desperate measures, and the curry industry is in urgent need of help. However, knee-jerk reactions and loose talks won't provide sustainable solutions. Instead, industry players must invest time in understanding the authentic background of the curry they are marketing. Attempting to label it as British curry when customers recognize its foreign culinary roots is a futile exercise. To win over patrons, players must educate themselves on the historical nuances of curry, fostering a deeper appreciation for the genuine article. Only through informed understanding can the industry navigate the challenges it faces and emerge resilient. Evolution of curry in the UK. The rich history of curry in the United Kingdom is a captivating journey that spans centuries, reflecting a tapestry of cultural influences and culinary evolution. 1. Form of curry 13th century. The UK's tryst with curry dates back to the 13th century, as evidenced by the Form of Curry, a medieval cookbook that featured early renditions of spiced dishes. This historical artifact serves as a testament to the enduring allure of these flavors. 2. Hannah Glassey's Indian Way 18th century. In the 18th century, Hannah Glassey made a significant contribution to the development of curry through her publication, The Art of Cookery Made Plain and Easy. In this influential work, Glassey presents the recipe for chicken curry in the Indian way, reflecting the broadening culinary influences of that era. 3. East India Company and the birth of Indian curry houses. The East India Company had a significant impact on influencing the curry story. In 1810, Sarkadeen Muhammad established the inaugural Indian curry house, signifying a noteworthy achievement. This idea garnered widespread appeal, and before long, boat boys became emblematic of curry venues. During the 1970s, migrants from East Pakistan, later Bangladesh, brought their cooking skills, while individuals of Indian heritage from East Africa introduced curry paste, marking the evolution of curry from its pre-chili to a post-chili iteration. 4. Historical quandaries. However, the historical origins of curry in the UK are complex, involving cultural exchange and adaptation. It is important to separate fact from fiction to understand how this dish became popular in British homes. The evolution of curry in the UK demonstrates the dynamic nature of culinary traditions, influenced by historical events, cultural encounters, and the creativity of chefs. In the historical timeline of curry consumption, the impact of colonial history plays a pivotal role, particularly in the two habitats of the Tamils. One habitat experienced Portuguese colonization in the early 16th century, distinct from the Indian subcontinent, adding a layer of complexity to the curry narrative. Notably, during the 16th century, several Tamil words, including curry, mulligatawny, papadom, rasam, and mango, entered the English language via Portuguese. It should be noted that the East India Company was founded only in the 17th century. In the Jaffna Tamils Kingdom, the Portuguese were succeeded by the Dutch in the 17th century. This region underwent 300 years of colonization before the British arrived in 1796. While the Tamil population in the Indian subcontinent remained free from any European rule during these 300 years, the curry in the Jaffna Peninsula experienced a renaissance, shaping its unique and diverse culinary heritage. Both Tamil habitats of British India and British Ceylon came under British rule, establishing travel and trade links that were previously denied. The curry renaissance experienced by the Tamils in the Jaffna Peninsula, marked by the introduction of chili and many new vegetables, was shared with the Tamils in the southern Indian subcontinent. An important historical note is that the black pepper-based pre-chili era curry of the Tamils was introduced by Robert Clive to Bengal and made its way to the UK in 1810. This historical nuance adds to the confusion surrounding curry's history, with some British authors erroneously claiming that the British introduced curry to India, including the Tamils, who have a curry culinary heritage spanning 3,000 years. Demand for healthier and authentic options. The transformation of curry in the UK. Initially, the development of curry in the UK revolved predominantly around non-vegetarian selections. However, with changing societal preferences leaning towards healthier options such as vegetarian, vegan, and plant-based choices, the curry industry encountered a hurdle in catering to this shift. Traditional eateries found it challenging to adjust and offer a varied array of options, resulting in a market gap for individuals in search of healthier and genuine alternatives. The authentic Tamil curry, a culinary emblem of diversity. In contrast to others, the genuine Tamil curry shines as a symbol of culinary diversity. With a heritage dating back thousands of years, Tamil curry readily meets the call for healthier choices. A noteworthy feature is its use of millet-based foods, in line with present-day dietary preferences. Millets, renowned for their nutritional advantages, have become a fundamental component of the authentic Tamil curry, demonstrating a dedication to both well-being and genuineness. The rising popularity of Tamil curry in meeting modern health and authenticity demands. Amidst the increasing demand for healthier and genuine food choices, Tamil curry emerges as a prime contender to not only meet but surpass these expectations. It presents a delightful range of options that not only pay homage to tradition but also embrace the changing preferences of today's discerning consumers. Supermarket trends. The emergence of supermarket takeout options posed a direct threat to traditional Indian curry restaurants. In my opinion, both parties lack an understanding of the distinctions between pre-chili era curry and post-chili era curry. Approximately 75% of Indian curry restaurants utilize the curry paste that was introduced by non-Tamils, which means they have no idea of the ancient but contemporary curry paste of the Tamils. Inadequate supermarket innovation in the curry industry. Regrettably, supermarkets are failing to sufficiently innovate within the curry market. Instead of leading the way with fresh and healthier choices, they appear satisfied with rebranding existing products with minor tweaks. The prevailing market environment, largely shaped by supermarket offerings, is devoid of the innovation needed to elevate curry beyond its traditional constraints. Despite their substantial resources and dedication to research and development, supermarkets have not fully explored the extensive potential for providing a more varied and health-conscious range of curries. Redefining the future of curry, a call for change in the culinary landscape. The curry industry needs more than just superficial alterations to its packaging. It calls for a substantial pivot towards healthier options that mirror the varied dietary inclinations of today's consumers. In an age marked by heightened consciousness about health and sustainability, supermarkets have the chance to reshape the perception of curry as a culinary heritage. The yet-to-be-realized potential, if properly utilized, could spark a curry revival that caters to the changing palates and preferences of curry aficionados. Keep an eye out for insights into the crucial role supermarkets can play in shaping the future of curry. It is important to note that the supermarkets did not take any action in response to the UN's declaration of 2023 as the International Year of Millet, which indicates that the supermarkets have not taken sufficient steps in this regard. Impact of the pandemic. The Indian curry houses were severely impacted by the pandemic, causing significant damage to the culinary scene. Unlike large corporate eateries, many of these curry houses were family-owned businesses, and the difficulties brought about by the pandemic resulted in the unfortunate shutting down of numerous cherished establishments. Amid the post-pandemic period, the rising cost of living poses challenges for consumers and curry houses. Customers are becoming more budget-conscious, leading to increased frugality in spending. Economic pressures have reshaped consumer behaviors, emphasizing value for money and discerning attitudes toward quality. Family-run curry houses face difficulties due to financial strains and shifting consumer preferences. Navigating these dynamics requires resilience, innovation, and adaptability from both curry houses and patrons. As we explore the nuanced impact of the pandemic on the curry landscape, it becomes evident that the path to recovery involves a delicate balance between economic realities and the evolving expectations of consumers. Join us in unraveling the intricate narrative of how the pandemic has left an indelible mark on the world of curry, reshaping its dynamics and challenging its resilience. Potential solutions. To address the complex challenges facing the curry industry, it's crucial to launch an awareness and education campaign that highlights the enduring and authentic Tamil curry tradition, which has thrived for over 3,000 years and remains vibrant within the Tamil community. Despite being cherished, the curry scene in the UK only offers a distorted glimpse of this culinary legacy. By revealing the authentic essence of Tamil curry, we can engage consumers, piquing their interest and trust, and introducing them to a realm of flavors waiting to be discovered. Creating awareness goes beyond the dinner table. It extends to supermarkets eager for diverse and authentic offerings. The allure of Tamil curry can be a powerful magnet for supermarket shelves, introducing customers to a culinary experience that transcends the ordinary. Government support is pivotal in navigating the complexities of the curry crisis. Armed with a narrative that celebrates authenticity, we can garner the attention and assistance needed to revive and sustain the curry industry. The presence of sizable Tamil communities in the West, particularly in the UK, offers an additional layer of support. Their cultural insight and passion for preserving culinary traditions can contribute significantly to the industry's resurgence. In essence, our journey toward solutions involves not just revitalizing curry but also restoring its true heritage. Join us as we pave the way for a curry renaissance, where authenticity and diversity reign supreme. Conclusion. In summary, the curry crisis is a multifaceted challenge with roots in historical misinterpretations, cultural complexities, and evolving culinary landscapes. From the confusion surrounding the origins of curry to the impact of colonial history and the recent challenges posed by the pandemic, our exploration has unveiled the layers of this crisis. As we conclude, a resounding call to action echoes through the corridors of the curry industry. It beckons for a collective effort to dispel myths, educate consumers, and rediscover the authentic flavors that have defined Tamil curry for millennia. Supermarkets, industry players, and the government are urged to embrace this journey of awareness and transformation. In facing the curry crisis head-on, we find hope in the rich heritage of Tamil curry. It's a beacon guiding us toward a future where authenticity prevails, and diverse culinary traditions flourish. Let this not be the end but a new beginning. A chapter in the curry industry's history where understanding, collaboration, and a celebration of heritage pave the way for a vibrant and sustainable future. Together, let's savor the promise of a curry renaissance, where the true essence of this beloved dish shines brightly, transcending borders and time. Please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.